Good evening. Welcome back to Into the Pan with Scott Pam. Today is Cinco de Mayo, and in honor of that, I'm going to be making a Mexican 3-bean salad with corn, peppers, cilantro. I have a mix of red and green onion. We've got kidney beans, cannelloni beans, and black beans. And I've got a mix of spices with red wine vinegar, garlic, salt, lemon juice, lime juice, chili powder, cumin, and some sugar with olive oil. So, without further ado, let's get this mixed up. We're going to start with the beans into this side. We're going to mix up all of the beans and all of these ingredients first. I like these bowls. I think I got them somewhere like Home Goods. They're really the #1 source of good stuff for me. And topping this will be some avocado, which I have in the refrigerator right now. So let's give that a gentle mix. We're going to use a non-stick spoon because sometimes metal can, you just want to gently mix this all up. This is one of the fastest recipes. It took longer to prep all this than it will be to mix this all up. Put it into a container and refrigerate it. It's supposed to be refrigerated for 3 to 4 hours, but I don't have that much time today. So I'm going to stick it in the freezer for a few minutes just to chill it down. And then I will transport it over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the liquids first. Let's get the oil in. I hope you're enjoying Cinco de Mayo. I hope you're enjoying this the channel here. Great. I just lost some juice. Not sure which one. I think that was the lemon juice. Yes, that was the lemon juice. Easily replaceable. Remember the episode where I squeezed all those lemons? That's what I'm using. So we'll clean that up in a minute. And I will get some more lemon juice out of the fridge. So much for perfection. So it's supposed to be a tablespoon of lemon juice. Well, that might have been the lime juice. Oh well, we could have more lemon than lime today. Maybe I can get a lime. Hold on. Sit tight. This is a nifty little invention I picked up, God knows where, but it lets you squeeze juice right out of the actual fruit. And I guess that's just going to have to be by eyeball today, because most of it's here. Hopefully it's going to be good. Alrighty, I'll clean that up in a minute. Let's whisk this together. Now I'm also a video gamer if you get a chance. Gemini SWT is my video gaming channel. And I do some video stuff and have a lot of fun with that. I just want to get the sugar to start to dissolve a bit. I don't use regular white sugar. I use natural sugar, turbinado sugar, raw sugar, whatever you call it. That's what I like using in my recipes. But it does take a little bit longer for it to start to dissolve into this. And the other day, one of my studio audience members wanted fresh whipped cream with ice cream. And I got to show you that one. That's going to be a fun one. All right, so the basis of this recipe right now, after we've spilled whatever it is on the counter, I don't remember if it's lemon or lime, but it'll work out. You pour this over. Thank God for dishwashers. All right, this is done too. Let's bring this to the sink. And we're just going to gently toss this together. So we're going to have all of those flavorings just all over all of this. And I'm going to top it with some diced avocado. I didn't show that on this. But I'll show a picture of it later on today when I serve it at the party that I've been invited to today. And I guess I'm wearing a face mask this evening. I'm so excited. It's fun to eat with a face mask on. Well, there you have it. This is a Mexican 3-bean salad in honor of today, Cinco de Mayo. Hope you've enjoyed this episode. It was fast, this is easy, and because it's summer, I like cool things. I don't like having a cook, but I will do that soon. Have a great day today. Enjoy.